Hey mini Y friends, have you ever noticed that when someone yawns, you suddenly want to yawn too? Why is yawning so contagious? Is it magic? Hypnosis? A sleepy virus? Not quite. Scientists think it's something your brain does called empathy. When you see someone yawn, your brain says, maybe they're tired. Maybe I'm tired too. And just like that, you suddenly feel sleepy and start yawning too. Even animals like monkeys and dogs can catch yawns from their friends. So it's not magic. It's your brain being kind and connecting with others. Yawning is the brain's version of a group hug. So next time your friend yawns and you yawn right after, just smile and say, "Hey, my brain cares about you." Want to know more about everyday mysteries? Don't forget to subscribe to Mini Y.